Let's talk about HoverSpeak in practice. So, how it works, you have the shortcuts that are listed here. One to start reading, one to stop reading. Once you hover over a section of text,
Accessibility should be free. November 27th,
and it will start
20,250
read it.
Subscribe to our newsletter. About. Crossword.
If you have some difficulty following the mouse, you can also activate this, and it will show you beforehand what it's about to read for you. You can select from multiple voices, either device voices which are very fast, the old ones that sound like a robot.
This is a preview of the selected voice.
A more modern ones that sound like this by Google.
This is a preview of the selected voice.
Or even better one if you choose to select a cloud voice.
This is a preview of the selected voice.
If you use a cloud voice, you'll notice that it has some delay because it needs internet to work.
October 26, 2025. Zero Bridging the Communication Gap. How TERP 360 is revolutionizing sign language.
Also, you have two mode of selections. Let me just return it to the voice I'm using.
This is a preview of the selected voice.
You have two options. One, select and read.
But this rapid
Point
growth
and
has
read.
created a frustrating side effect. As companies race to develop, we are seeing a race
If
toward
you want to
more,
read a
more
larger
AI,
section,
more cloud
you move
processing, and
away
higher
from
costs.
this.
But this accessibility should be free. Why HoverSpeak is the as companies race to
Or
develop
you can
hyper-realistic
select a
AI
section.
voices that sound like celebrities. We are seeing a race toward more AI, more cloud processing.
So you have two options, either selecting a text or just pointing over it. If you want, like I said, to see what would be read, you go here, activate this, and you'll see if I move away from a section of text, I can select larger areas of text if I want to. So I can read an entire article, I just need to move away from the center. Okay, so this is a donationware. If you like it, please donate to the project. It helps me develop new features, and I do have a lot more features I would like to add, better accuracy and stuff like that. So if it helped you, consider donating. Otherwise, it's completely free, and I hope you like it.